Wouldn't it be amazing if you had this superpower that whenever you wanted, whenever you liked a man and were crazy about him, you had this superpower to make him miss you badly? Well, in today's video, I'm going to give you this shocking secret on how to accomplish this right after this. I'm Mike Goldstein of Easy Dating Coach, the most efficient coach in the country, getting 83% of folks into relationships. 3 steps to make a man miss you badly. Here's the superpower. Overarching principle. He needs to feel an emotion about you. How do we accomplish this? Think about all your first dates. Historically, the first date, what I've seen is almost every time, drinks, going a walk. Every freaking time for every couple across every continent. These are the dates I'm seeing. I'm bored. Imagine if you took them on an amazing date. Start thinking about some of your memories that kind of feel like they're actually in there and you remember them well. You are tied to these memories because some sort of emotion happened. You either have some memories that were very painful, maybe scary, made you feel great happiness. You're tied to these memories because emotion was felt. When there was no emotion, you lose those memories very quickly. Think about if you went skydiving, the fear of jumping out of a plane. Think about if you got divorced and the pain you felt of losing your partner maybe. All these memories somewhat sit with you. Now, our 3-step process to make a man miss you badly. In the early stages, date 1, for example, if you're like, man, this guy looks good, and we have all these things in common, the date needs to be crazy fun if you want to make him miss you badly. Let me tell you how this woman executed this on me. We had all these things in common. She played soccer. I like playing tennis, blah, blah, blah. Step number 1, fun date. She goes, that would be so cool to play tennis with you. Oh, bring a soccer ball so we can kick around too. For anyone that's been watching me, I love soccer and I love playing any sport. Do you know how many dates I've been on where I played tennis? 0. So she got me to do something that was going to be fun and memorable. So how do you do this? When you find something in common, just say, wow, that would be so fun to do with you. So you're still being feminine. You're leaning back. You're allowing him to hunt, but you're making it easy for him. This is Easy Dating Coach. You're saying the stuff that you like, that he clearly likes, we should do that together. Now, if you're chatting with someone online or texting and you find that you don't really have that much in common, you probably don't even need to go on a date, right? If it's not a hell yes, it's a hell no. All right, step 2 of how to make him miss you badly. And this is what this woman did. We finished playing soccer and tennis. We had a great time. And typically at the end of date, a hug or a kiss or something happens, right? We have a great hug. Now, let me tell you what she did. It wasn't one of those ass out hugs. I'm talking about a full commitment here. Whether it be a hug or a kiss, she got in nice and tight, got her arms fully around me, brought in close, and we held for a while. I'm not talking about, how 2 men hug, ass out, the tap, tap, and then we're out of here. I'm talking about we got in there and we got to feel each other. Why is this important? You are revving this guy up. You are building some sexual energy in him. And that is great. So maybe you kiss. Maybe you have an intimate kiss. Maybe you have a great hug. But make it memorable. Make him feel an emotion. Make him feel the excitement. And now what you do is you get the heck out of there. Maybe you want more. Maybe you want a longer hug. Maybe you want another kiss. Don't care about that. We got to get this man chasing you, get him missing you. Get the heck out of there. Be like, I had so much fun. Hope I get to see you again. And then leave. Now he's going to be thinking about you. Step 3. Once again, my favorite advice to give. Do nothing. This is so important. If you're talking to him, texting him, there's no way he's going to miss you. This is nothing to miss because you're interacting. The way a person misses is when you're not around. So you don't text, you don't call, you let him miss you. And if you implemented amazing date and then had a good hug, a good kiss, and then got out of there, that's the recipe for him missing you. All right, folks, go execute that. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you agree. I love when you do. Words of affirmation tell me I'm awesome. Always makes my day. Smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And of course, hit the bell so you get notified when I put out new content. We're doing 3 a week. And I love all of you. More videos to watch if you want to keep going here and here. Love you. See you next time.